You scared? Nigga, camera shy? Camera shy? Come on. Come on. Camera shy? This nigga. Come on, Nico. Come on, Nico. Come on, Nico. Somebody go.
Hey, turn it out there, bro.
Why you camera shy?
Please, man.
Come on.
Please.
Go beat him put.
Yeah, nigga going hard. And
Hey, come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay, alright, hold up. Yeah. Nico P, they untamed the beast in me, and I came to eat like my name was T. I'm gonna shoot to your turn R.E.D., but it's okay, these baboons can't bang with me. I ain't crippin', I ain't blood, but you can't bang with me. You can't hang with me. Your girl sang to me. Hold up, let me break this mic. I'm Ali, I'll take this fight. I'll take this fight, I get fly. So that means I would just take this flight. I get higher than the moon. I might come through riding candy maroon. Hold up, sweeping like a broom. I got your girl in my room. I'm just freestyling. Nico P. Wilder. I might come through from Funky Town to Dallas.
Hey!
Nigga, I be killing. I'm like,
What y'all offers having to ask? How was you black? You have no rhythm. You was like, hey, hey, off beat.
I was just giving the instrumental to the free flow, to the acapella to the beat.
AJ, you finna hit it? Or you camera shot? Man, you a punk.
Nigga stepping out. Nigga, what the fuck kid is ass in the mouth? Nigga from
Man, you had to kill it.
I know. AJ is got that. I'm leaving.
Yeah, let's go.